Welcome, I'm Stefan Fischer from Euresearch. Linda Münger and me, we are the two Swiss national contact points for SMEs. In 7 separate online training sessions, we are going to give you detailed information about the changes from the former SME Instrument Phase 2 to the new EIC Accelerator Pilot. In this session, I will inform you about the requirement to provide financial statements in a proposal for the EIC Accelerator Pilot. There's now one evaluation criterion in the impact section of the self-evaluation form, specifically asking to address the financial needs to ensure the company's success. There's another evaluation criterion in the implementation section, asking applicants to provide evidence that the company cannot leverage sufficient investment from the market. Applicants requesting blended finance support must also provide evidence that they are considered non-bankable by investors or financial institutions. Currently, there's little guidance available for the financial statements. This slide and the next slide show text from the proposal template providing some instructions for the financial statements. These questions seem to be particularly important for step 2 of the evaluation process. The amount of equity you are prepared to give in return for the equity financing, the valuation of the company and how it has evolved over time, company ownership and capital structure, exit strategy and return on investment. You can use the financial statements and the tables foreseen for that purpose, but maybe it is a good strategy to provide a summary with the key figures in section 1 to 3 of the proposal. The first table is called Simplified Financials. The reporting period ranges from 2 previous years to 6 years in the future. It contains profits and losses statement, cash flow statements, balance sheet, business metrics and ratios. Part 1 of Table 1 is the profits and loss statement. Part 2 of Table 1 describes the cash flows from operating, investing and financing activities. Part 3 of Table 1 is the balance sheet. If you attended accounting classes, you know that assets are the sum of liabilities and shareholder equity. The metrics and ratios in Part 4 of Table 1 are computed from information in other parts of the table. Table 2 describes current financial data, external debt, total cash balance, cash burn last month. Table 3 documents your company's financial history. In Table 4, the ownership and capital structure of the company is documented. Fully diluted means that you have to assume that all the employee stocks and convertible bonds have been exercised. And finally, Table 5 describes the current financing round. It's needless to say that financial information may change between the deadline and the interview. My recommendation would be to keep this information updated for the interview. This is the end of the session about the new requirement to provide financial statements. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the EIC Accelerator Pilot, we advise to watch the other 6 sessions of this online training. Goodbye.